Imagine sipping cocktails on the beach for just $100 a week. Sounds too good to be true. Let me show you how. Today, we're exploring 20 amazing countries where $100 weekly is all you need for a dreamy lifestyle. Stick around, you'll want to pack your bags. 20. Armenia. History, mountains, and budget living. Welcome to Armenia, where history blends with affordable living. Picture ancient monasteries, breathtaking mountains, and charming villages. In the capital, Yerevan, cozy apartments rent for only $50 weekly. Groceries like fresh bread, fruits, and veggies cost just $20. Transportation. You'll pay about 20 cents per bus ride. For just $100, you can explore Armenia's stunning landscapes and cultural treasures without breaking a sweat. 19. Madagascar. Lemurs, beaches, and a budget dream of living on a tropical island. Madagascar is calling. Beachfront bungalows here rent for only $35 weekly. Enjoy fresh seafood from local markets for around $2 daily. You'll feel like royalty, exploring beautiful beaches and rare wildlife. Throw in a lemur watching tour with the extra $20 saved. Madagascar's low cost lets you live a dream island life on a budget. 18. Morocco. Spices, souks, and big savings. Picture waking up in Morocco, where exotic adventure awaits. Rent a cozy apartment in Marrakesh for just $40 a week. A cup of coffee costs around 50 cents in local cafes. And for lunch, enjoy a flavorful tagine for $2 or less. Transportation is cheap, buses cost under $1 per ride. With $100 weekly, Morocco offers vibrant souks and scenic mountains. 17. Paraguay, where cows outnumber people and prices stay low. Paraguay's vast green landscapes are as affordable as they are stunning. In Asunción, rent is around $40 weekly for a nice apartment. Groceries. Fresh fruits, vegetables, and beef cost about $25 weekly. Public transport is a bargain, with bus fares costing around 40 cents. Explore waterfalls, join local festivals, or try a barbecue asado. With low costs and amazing scenery, Paraguay is budget-friendly paradise. 16. Serbia. European living without the hefty price. Serbia offers charm, history, and city vibes for a bargain. In Belgrade, rent a downtown apartment for just $40 weekly. You'll feast on Serbian specialties like cevapi for under $3. Groceries, including bread, cheese, and veggies, cost $20 weekly. Trams and buses are budget-friendly at around 90 cents a ride. For $100 weekly, Serbia's vibrant culture and sights await. 15. Georgia. Wine, mountains, and a wallet-friendly lifestyle. If you love wine, Georgia will be your paradise. Tbilisi apartments rent for around $50 a week, incredible value. Groceries, including local wine, will run you about $25 weekly. A metro ride in Tbilisi costs only 30 cents. Enjoy rich history, mountains, and friendly locals for under $100. Georgia is a crossroads of cultures that's as safe as it is affordable. 14. Moldova. Europe's hidden affordable gem tucked away in Eastern Europe, Moldova is an undiscovered gem. Rent an apartment in Chisinau for about $40 weekly. Enjoy hearty local meals like placenta for just $2 each. Groceries cost under $20 weekly, with fresh market produce. Explore the city's Soviet charm, vineyards, and stunning scenery. Moldova offers budget living in a peaceful, charming destination. 13. Uzbekistan. Silk Road dreams on a budget. Step into Uzbekistan, where adventure and history meet. Rent a charming apartment in Tashkent for $40 weekly. Groceries. Fragrant pilaf and bread for around $25 weekly. Public transport costs just 20 cents per ride, almost free. Explore the ancient Silk Road, bustling bazaars, and grand mosques. Uzbekistan offers a historic, affordable escape for budget travelers. 12. Sri Lanka. Tropical paradise at pocket-friendly prices. Sri Lanka's crystal beaches and lush hills are calling. Rent a beachfront guesthouse for just $45 a week. Spend $20 weekly on rice, curry, and fresh fruits. Transportation across the island costs pennies, even scenic trains. For $100 a week, Sri Lanka's tropical beauty is yours to enjoy. Experience paradise without breaking the bank in this island nation. 11. Indonesia, a tropical escape on a shoestring budget. Indonesia offers island paradise for an incredible price. Rent a cozy villa in Bali or Yogyakarta for $50 weekly. Nasi goreng and mie goreng meals are just $2 each. For $5, rent a scooter to explore temples, beaches, and waterfalls. With $100 weekly, your tropical dream comes true in Indonesia. Discover over 15,000 islands, endless beauty, and vibrant culture. 10. Philippines, island life without the expense. Imagine living steps from a beach in the Philippines. Rent a cozy bungalow near the shore for $40 weekly. Enjoy adobo and seafood meals for just $3 each. Colorful jeepneys cost 20 cents a ride, or rent a scooter. With $100, explore islands, beaches, and waterfalls at ease. It's island living on a budget, pure paradise awaits. 9. Kyrgyzstan, nomadic living on a budget. Ever wanted to experience a nomadic lifestyle? Kyrgyzstan awaits. In Bishkek, rent an apartment for just $35 weekly. Stock up on noodles, dumplings, and veggies for $20 weekly. Local buses and marshrutkas, minibuses, cost just cents per ride. With $100 weekly, explore mountains and nomadic culture. It's budget-friendly, full of adventure, and simply unforgettable. 8. Colombia, salsa, sunshine, and serious savings. In Colombia, $100 gets you city life and coastal charm. Rent an apartment in Medellin for about $40 weekly. Enjoy street food like empanadas for $1 and groceries for $20. Public transport is cheap, with metro rides at 70 cents. Dance, explore, and experience Colombian culture on a budget. Colombia offers a colorful life without breaking the bank. 7. Dominican Republic, tropical bliss for less. Dreaming of beach days and tropical nights? Head to the dock to rent a room near the coast for $40 a week. Enjoy local dishes like mango and seafood for $3 a meal. Gua Gua, minibus rides cost just 50 cents to $1 each. With $100, enjoy beaches, music, and great savings in paradise. Live the tropical dream without worrying about your wallet. 6. Bolivia, the Andes, markets, and budget-friendly life. Bolivia offers mountain adventures and local charm for little cash. Rent a place in La Paz for around $35 a week. Enjoy meals of empanadas and fresh produce for $10 a week. Explore the city via cable car for under $1. With $100 weekly, Bolivia's vibrant culture and landscapes await. It's the perfect mix of affordability and adventure. 5. Bangladesh, rich culture, minimal expenses. Dhaka's bustling streets offer affordable living and vibrant life. Rent a local apartment for $30 weekly, groceries for just $20. Cycle rickshaws and buses cost only cents per ride. Escape to tea gardens or rivers for a few dollars more. With $100, experience Bangladesh's colorful culture and cuisine. Enjoy this dynamic country without the high costs. 4. Albania, Europe's undiscovered budget destination. Albania is Europe's secret gem with stunning beaches and mountains. Rent an apartment in Tirana for $40 weekly, with $20 for food. Enjoy local pastries, seafood, and fresh market finds. Explore Albania's coastline or mountains for $1 bus rides. With $100 weekly, Europe's hidden beauty is within reach. It's affordable, beautiful, and brimming with adventure. 3. Laos, serene, affordable, and beautiful. Laos offers slow-paced living and breathtaking views on a budget. Rent a room overlooking the Mekong River for $30 weekly. Local meals like papaya salad and sticky rice cost $15 weekly. Get around on a tuk-tuk or rent a bike for $5. With $100, enjoy serene landscapes and a laid-back lifestyle. Laos is perfect for those seeking peace and savings. 2. Cambodia, ancient temples, cheap living. Cambodia is rich in history, with Angkor Wat and affordable life. Rent a room in Siem Reap for about $40 weekly. Feast on local dishes like a mock curry for $2 each. Tuk-tuks will take you anywhere for less than $1. With $100, discover Cambodia's temples and unique culture. It's a kingdom of history, adventure, and budget-friendly living. 1. Vietnam. Beaches, culture, and unbeatable savings. Vietnam tops the list for affordable living and rich experiences. Rent an apartment in Hanoi for $40 a week, with $60 left. Feast on pho, banh mi, and iced coffee for under $2. Hop on a motorbike taxi for quick, cheap travel. With $100, Vietnam's beaches, culture, and history are yours. It's the ultimate budget-friendly paradise with endless charm. From tropical islands to ancient lands, these countries offer it all. Whether you're a budget traveler or dream of a simpler life, these destinations prove you don't need big bucks to live big. Pack your bags, chase adventure, and start your new life. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your top pick below.